Hey guys, it is another beautiful day here in Arkansas, and I am out here at Kyle's Landing, about to hike to Twin Falls, which is a really beautiful waterfall. But the thing is, the road to get down here is so rough. But honestly, it wasn't too bad. I feel like there were parts at the Waterfalls National Forest that were worse than what I just drove through. But the only thing is that driving back up is going to be a little tough. So we'll see. But I have faith in this Subaru Crosstrek to get me through. It stormed like crazy last night. There were actually a couple tornadoes in Arkansas last night. Thankfully, nothing like came to where I was at, but yeah. So, what was I trying to say? Oh, because of like the storms and the rain, most likely the waterfalls right now are like at peak, which is perfect. So yeah, let's go check out this waterfall. If this is your first time here, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and let's get hiking. Hey y'all, so doing this hike to go see the falls. I can hear them and the falls are roaring. It's so loud. So I'm super excited. I really wanted to go waterfall chasing earlier this year, but the water was like still a little dry. So I'm super excited to be back here and actually see a waterfall. Walk over to the other side. Woo, water is cold. I'm about to walk over to the other side. That waterfall was incredible, you guys. Very beautiful. It's called Twin Falls. Now the road to get up here, or the road to get down here, is really tough, but if your car can make it, it's definitely worth the visit. And right now the waterfall was extremely full, especially because it rained a lot last night, so it's absolutely stunning. So I'm about to go and do another hike. I really want to see another waterfall, but I also want to hike the Goat Bluff Trail, which is a little bit tough. So we'll see. Hey y'all, it is time for another waterfall. This one is called Hammerschmidt Waterfall, and it's another short hike to it. So Should be almost there. Let me double check the map because I can actually hear it already. Let's see where I'm at. Oh yeah, I'm literally like 0.1 of a mile there. I can actually hear it. So one thing I love about Arkansas is that you can see a ton of waterfalls in one trip. But you really want to go when it has rained. So like right now, today is like the perfect time to see these waterfalls because it rained so much last night. I originally planned to hike the goat, I think it's called Goat Bluff Trail or something like that. But because it rained so much yesterday, I was like, I need to see as many waterfalls as I can fit in to this day. I really wish I woke up a little bit earlier so I could do maybe like 2 more other ones, but it's okay, it is what it is. Still getting to see some iconic waterfalls. Okay, I think we actually made it to the actual trail part. Where is the trail? I think this is part of the trail, is this water crossing. Actually, no, I think the trail's over here. Thank God for all trails because I really would not know where to go if it wasn't for them downloading maps. I was about to cross that little creek and I didn't even have to. So beautiful here. Oh my goodness. The sound of the water flowing is amazing. It's really muddy out here. Since I got my shoes wet yesterday, I've just been using the same pair of shoes because they were already wet, so I figured might as well just continue to use them. This trail is a little steep and slippery, but it's so beautiful. I'm gonna try and make it down there. It'll get a little closer to the falls. So let's see. Is crazy. This is the last hike of the day. I am at Whitaker Point, and this is one of my favorite hikes. I've done this one before, but it was like years ago. So super excited to be doing it again. And ow. Gotta watch out for these rocks. Yeah, super excited to be doing it again. It's a super short trail, but the only thing about this hike is that the road to get up here is a little rough. So that was a little annoying driving through that road, but I made it and I'm gonna do this quick hike. So let's go check it out. Alright guys, I made it up here and can't really see much yet because there's so many trees, but I can definitely feel that I'm high up for sure. But I think I'm getting close to the actual viewpoint. Whew, yeah, my legs are starting to feel all of today's adventures for sure. Hey y'all, I made it to Whitaker Point, and that rock right there is the famous rock that everyone takes pictures at. It is so beautiful here. Wow, the trees, literally this view, absolutely beautiful. So beautiful up here, but it's a little scary honestly because of how high up it is, but it is absolutely stunning. Hey y'all, it is another beautiful day here in Arkansas, and today I am hiking to check out a couple more waterfalls. So the first one that I'm hiking to right now is called Magnolia Falls, and it is a short hike to the falls. The trail is a little muddy today because it rained a lot over the past few days, and I think it rained last night too. I absolutely love hiking here in Arkansas. Definitely one of my favorite states to hike in. So let's go check out the falls. Yeah, I am on another hike. This is to Glory Hole. And I have actually done this hike before years ago, but it was very dry because the last time I was here was during the fall. So I'm super excited. I did talk to some other hikers today and they said that water was flowing through it, so super excited about that. This trail is pretty okay. It's all downhill, so I know coming back up is gonna suck, but it's a beautiful day. Hi.
Hello. You're in for a treat.
Thanks. Someone just said I'm in for a treat, so super excited. Man, it's gonna suck coming up this trail though. This is all downhill. But I can hear the falls already, which means we're getting close. I'm so glad I brought my trekking pole because it's definitely going to help on the way up. But I can hear the water already. I'm super excited. I really love waterfalls. And it's definitely been a great time to see waterfalls, especially here in Arkansas because this is the season, but it has rained so much. I actually wasn't expecting to see this much water because I have been here in May before and it's been dry. But I guess this year we are in luck. To Glory Hole. So this is what it looks like from the top. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there is a hole right there. I am not getting too close because I'm not trying to fall. But let's go take a look at the hole from the bottom. I made it down here, and you can see the hole. I'm just trying to figure out how to get a little bit closer. Trip and fall. Oh, there it goes. Just trying to get up close to the waterfall, and I really wish I could stand under it, but that might be a bit much for today. But it is so beautiful. Very, very, very beautiful. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend doing this hike if you're ever in this area. Oh man, that was fun. But I am soaked. So hopefully my clothes will dry on the way up because the hike up is steep, but this is so fun. I love it here. Hey y'all, it is my last day here in Arkansas. I'm getting ready to go to the airport actually, but I decided to do one last little hike, and this is a hike to a coffee shop. It's called Airship at Kohler, I think here in Bentonville, Arkansas. So doing a short little hike to go get some coffee. Two of my favorite things in one, hike and coffee. I think I'm gonna get a matcha latte today though, because I'm craving matcha right now. But this is so cool. The trails here are actually really nice. I got my coffee, y'all. This place is super cute. And there's actually a couple of trails here. You can hike, you can just hang out. There's also a river you can just chill. And the coffee is actually really good. This is definitely a unique place for sure. I've never seen anything like it. And I highly recommend. This is in Bentonville, Arkansas. Trying to hurry up because I have to get on the plane in about an hour and a half. So yeah, thank you so much for coming along my Arkansas adventures. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and I'll see y'all on the next adventure.